great, man. It rotates awesome on the front axis. Rotates great. Throttle response is awesome. Nice buttery gearbox. Easy to bleed off the brakes. I mean, I just can't believe the steering rack's a little bit much. It's a little bit too much turning. But it just rotates so nicely on that axis. And I mean, it's so fast. I mean, I really didn't think it was going to be this fast in a straight line. I'm definitely overslowing for this, but that's fine. I mean, the diff picks up good. There's just so much dig. It really just grips so well. So easy. Nice and linear, nice and predictable. I mean, gearing is really good actually. I don't really hit gearing at all. Brakes are responsive, but they're not overly boosted. Still some nice pedal feel. Really easy to heel toe. Check it out. Oh man, it's so much fun. I mean, it just feels light. It just rotates so well, man. The springs are good. It doesn't feel over stiffened. And wow, we're already at 7,000. Look at that. So easy to heel toe. So easy to modulate. Oh man, it just digs. Your line, nice lift off, turn in, and that's phenomenal. I mean, it just so glides, man. Nice. Woo-hoo. Not too loose. Just absorbs everything so well. Oh my god, it's so butter. 3. Oh man, easy. We're not even close to the limit. Man, I don't want to get out of this corner. So much fun. Oh man. And it's already our gearing. Like the 3. Go down to 3rd, because fuck it, we're onto a time lapse. We're just feeling it out. It's so easy. It just feels so nimble, man. fun. So effortless, man. All the inputs are so weighted. They're weighted so smoothly, man. So smooth and easy. So nice. Get a full cool down. A little bit of decel on liftoff, nothing crazy though. Like I said, I wasn't even getting it close to the limit of these tires, especially in this car. And that limit is so high, dude, on full slick. So overkill for this thing. Man, so much fun, man. So much fun. Oh man, thank you, Paul. It's been a treat. I don't even care that I'm not driving fast, man. Just out here cruising. Super fun. Oh man, I didn't want to get out. Super fun, man. You can just tell how light it is, man. Man, I like old cars. So much fun.
You like it?
Oh yeah.
5 million?
It might be worth that much.
Check on it right.
I like this car a lot.
I'll sell it to you for 5 million.
Should I put it in gear?
Yeah.
Doesn't roll away. It's not gonna roll away, but.
Yeah, but when it's flat.
Oh, so much fun.
It's a flat surface.
That's true. Gotta go through the whole procedure. Oh yeah, it's a lot of fun. I like old cars. They're so easy. It's a lot of fun.